change your inner fenders from this to this using this. What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on the Block back again, out here detailing the Cadillac Escalade. And I've got a quick tip for you. Quick tip on a very inexpensive way to make your inner fenders that look like this on any vehicle look like this. So if you guys can see how nice and clean that is, how it's got a nice satin finish. I'm here to tell you that that product right here, you can find it through Dollar Tree. So don't go spend a whole bunch of money, but it's driver's choice tire shine. I don't use it on the tires, but I do use it on the inner fenders because it does a great job. Here you can see the difference, untreated, treated. So cost you $1. Smash that like, drop me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think about it. We'll see you next time.